I always thought, okay, when I work in a museum, when I become a curator, I also want to make sure I create a bird observatory, something that could be like in one place, one park, one preserved area, relatively close to the museum, but where like the public could join field ornithologists and learn more about how we capture these birds and what kind of data set we can get in the field from these living birds, and the importance of marking them, releasing, and doing like a continuous data collection process in order to understand their behavior, their movements, their migration, whether they are being affected by diseases. Right now, we know that most bird species, their populations are declining, and we don't know exactly why. And banding birds, marking, we can treat each individual as a unique piece of data, and we can trace back their history and also make predictions about what's going to happen with them. And with this kind of data, this also helps us try to answer these questions of what are the causes of these declines? What can we do as a society to help fix this issue? We basically have these nets, these very thin nets that we put in strategic places, and we open them just when we are around. And these nets, they are like a technology that has been used like for hundreds of years, but basically birds hit the net and they get tangled, but that doesn't hurt them. And then there are specific ways on how you remove the birds from the net without hurting them. And then we bring them to the banding station, where we give a metallic band that has like a unique number for each one of these birds. And we take measurements. We show also how we do like collection of feathers or collection of like these coecho swabs or blood samples, and how we take notes on all these data sets, and we just try to talk to the public about like the problems that bird populations are facing, and the importance of conservation and the importance of the kind of work that we are doing to help these bird populations. We started with the observatory in March 2025, and since then we are trying to band birds in two different localities. One that is like the UF dairy unit, so more like rural and transformed habitat, and one that is like a habitat that is more pristine, close to Pain's Prairie. And the idea here is that we have like a team of undergraduate students that basically lead the observatory. They do most of the work, and the idea is that these students come to these sections, as many as they can possibly attend, and gain as much experience they can. Because then when they do like their master's, their PhD, they already developed those skills and know how to collect these sorts of data and know how to handle birds with safety, both for them and for the birds.